So our son and daughter-in-law have bought us a night stay in the Empire Brunei, which apparently is, well, according to my wife who went on the internet, a 7-star hotel. I'm sure it's not, because the Burj Al Khalifa always claimed to be the first 7-star hotel, and I'm pretty sure it's not a 7-star hotel, but should be very nice, and we're looking forward to our night here. There's the son, number one son. Not like he's the number one of all our sons, I mean, but he was the firstborn. That's what I'm saying. Although he'd probably argue otherwise and say that he is the number one. Very nice. A beautiful woman in a beautiful place. Wow. Look at that roof. And there's the sea. Wow, that's a beautiful, amazing view. See just over there. That window. You can see them up there. So that's a lovely view, is it not? I haven't got to our room yet. We're on our way. It's quite the thing. Look at that lagoon. Nice. The weather's quite meh today, but which means it's just a very nice, comfortable, probably 26, 27 degrees, which is perfect. As you can see, it's shorts weather, so my son is wearing them. And this is where we are, Seaview Villas. Well, good evening. Good evening. It's 5 o'clock. We are at Empire Brunei. There's our view from our room. This is from the balcony. So this is what just over 1,000 ringgit, £200 gets you. 200 UK gets you for one night. So there's the bathroom. And then we have obviously this balcony that I'm standing on now. So you see, crafty Nana's already getting herself relaxed. I'm going to shut this door and lock it. So this is our room. They upgraded us to a sea view room. I guess without the upgrade we probably wouldn't have been able to see such a good view, that's all. The bed is absolutely massive and very comfy. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. So that would be 3 meters long, wide. Amazing, comfortable. So we have the writing desk area here. You can sit down and do your whatever you do, your diary or writing letters or just chill. And we obviously got the TV here. And I don't know what's in these drawers. Probably nothing. No. Then over here we have fridge in here. Now, it's a mini bar, but we are in Brunei, so no alcohol. But everything in there is complimentary. This one has glasses and an ice bucket, like
Just ask and they'll bring you ice. And here you have your kettle and your cups for your cups of tea. Beautiful cutlery, nice simple design. Yay, it's full of teas and things, so you can get cups of tea on. Yeah, make it one of them in a minute. And then through here we have, obviously the hallway is where you come in, big fat belly, and this is your wardrobe system, and there you have the place for your bags. So plenty of room in the wardrobes. You've got your slippers, you've got your ironing board and iron, and obviously lots of hanging. And in here we have the safe and storage room shelves, and then very nice bathroom. So let's show you the bathroom. A very, very nice bath. You can lie in your bath and look out the window towards the sea, which is very smart, right there. Very nice bath. Look at the design of that tap head. Is that nice? With a shower in it as well. Now my wife has been in here, but she never looked at this. So we've got your COVID masks, obviously. I don't know what that is. Toothpaste, toothbrush, razor, soaps, all sorts. So that's good. And then you have magnifying mirror there and a big mirror here. And then you've got your two sink station basins, sink, call them what you will. You've got your bathrobes, your towels. We're not used to luxury anymore, so this is great. When we used to go to Vegas, we used to sort of be like this, but now we're in Asia, we are very cheap, Charlie's. But that's a lovely, this is a lovely spoiling. The last time we spoiled ourselves was when we went to Hai Long Bay in Vietnam, where I paid a lot of money for us to spend 2 days, 1 night on a boat to Hai Long Bay. So we have a toilet and the bidet. Beautiful. So that is what £200 per night gets you in Brunei. Cannot be bad.